Hi, Roger signing in here at the BFN, and today we have another underexposed, undervalued asset class in the exciting and expanding U.S. cannabis sector that, in our opinion, is highly recommended, no pun intended, as the U.S. is poised to legalize the cannabis industry federally. This in our brand new segment, the Stock Radar. Our community and viewing audience has been benefiting stupendously from the info being shared here. So to keep winning, make sure to keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your alerts because it's about to go down. Good day, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury signing in here at the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And today on Stock Radar, we are covering another up-and-coming opportunity, one that our trading club has been able to benefit from. The company is Grown Rogue, symbol GRIN in Canada, and in the US, symbol GRUSF. Now, let's take a closer look at this company. Now, oh wow, they got a video. Let's check it out. Wow, nice video. Let's take a look at this company a little bit more closely. About us. Our mission, we provide consumers with premium cannabis products that enhance life experiences. We believe passionately in the power of the cannabis plant to change lives for the better and are committed to educating and empowering consumers as we build our global community. I completely agree with the cannabis plant and its benefits. Our values: transparency, integrity, honesty, authenticity, and education. Our history. The genesis of what Grown Rogue has become today started with humble beginnings over 15 years ago when founders Obi and Sarah Strickler started in the Oregon medical marijuana program with a focus on alternative health and the vision of providing high quality and safe medicine. Obi and Sarah located the perfect property nestled on a south-facing mountain slope with gravity-fed spring water to begin their cannabis journey. Starting with 15 hand-dug holes in the beautiful mountains of the Rogue Valley, These two Southern Oregon natives took their vision of superior cannabis products that enhance experiences first to Oregon and now to multiple states. While Sarah and Obi continue to expand the business outward, the roots of Grown Rogue will always be anchored in strong family values, authenticity, and integrity. And folks, this is Obi. Obi will be on our show. We're going to be talking to him directly in an interview very, very soon. So stay tuned. So let's now look a little bit at the products. Oh, wow. Okay, Oregon cultivars. Fifth Element, blackberry crossed with allspark OG. Earthy, pungent citrus notes with both scent and taste. Fifth Element offers a cerebral and body high mix. It's an indoor strain. Structure, aroma, earth, cerebral, relaxed, euphoric. Very well explained and detailed. Absinthe. A lot of crosses. High THC content too. Amherst Sour Diesel. Sour Diesel is one of my favorite. Black Dog. Crescendo. Critical Jack. Wow. Jack Herer. Mac 9. Mother's Milk. Ogre. Rogue OG. That's their own. Nice. 27%. Rogue Sherbet, White Cookies. So it looks like they have about 14 or more coming strains. That's pretty exciting. Well thought out, very detailed. Effects, breakdown, bud formation. Let's look at Michigan. Okay, our Michigan cultivars, Fifth Element, Jack Herer, Mac 9, Mother's Milk. Seems like in Michigan they have a little less. That's the newer market. But again, they have more to come. Oh, some unique ones. Chem Dog and Skunk. Gelato Punch. GMO Cookies. Grapefruit Kush. Strawberries and Cream. Nice. Really nice layout. Gorgeous. Let's look at certified fresh nitro sealed jars. Our nitro sealed jars contain beautiful flower that has been carefully cultivated by our grow team. We hand select the best nugs from every harvest, which are weighed and placed into jars that are vacuum sealed and nitrogen injected through our patented process, to remove harmful air that degrades the flower quality and lock in the maximum potency and terpenes. When you pop the top on a nitro sealed jar, that certified freshness pours out and you will have some amazing bud to enjoy. Let's look a little bit more. There isn't a lot of cannabis companies that have patents around stuff like that. Ultra Fresh Pre-Rolls, one of the several Grown Rogue innovations. So Grown Rogue International, ticker GRIN in Canada and GRUSF in the States, a vertically integrated multi-state cannabis company with licenses and assets in Oregon, California, and now entering Michigan. This is a little bit of an older press release, folks, right here. Announced today that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office awarded Grown Rogue full patent for its innovative certified fresh nitrogen sealed pre-rolls. So I guess this is their pre-rolls. The nitrogen sealed process eliminates oxygen through nitrogen injection, which preserves the freshness of each flower. The process also vacuum seals the product to lock in freshness. That is huge. For anyone that's in the cannabis industry, I've been growing for about 20 years. And I'm telling you guys right now, air, light, all these things really degrade the finished product. Cool. A little bit of a close-up there. There's dozens of premium pre-rolls on the cannabis market, but there's only one innovation that seals with nitrogen and ensures freshness, says Obi Strickler, the CEO and co-founder of Grown Rogue. Several cannabis companies have used nitrogen to seal cannabis in various applications, but Grown Rogue is the first to develop a solution to seal a glass tube with nitrogen. Customers can see the quality of product through the glass, and with the nitrogen infusion will know that they can enjoy a truly fresh cannabis experience, added Mr. Strickler. Grown Rogue first introduced the certified fresh nitrogen sealed pre-rolls in January 2018, which drove sales and brand awareness in the Oregon market. Cool. Very cool. Now let's look into a little bit more news and info. So it looks like they acquired an asset from Acreage Holdings. Let's get into that a little bit. Okay, so Grown Rogue announced today that its subsidiary, Grown Rogue Distribution LLC, has signed a definitive agreement and management services agreement with HSCP, a subsidiary of Acreage Holdings, effective February 5th, 2021, for a previously operational state-of-the-art 30,000 square feet indoor facility located in Medford, Oregon, and a fully operational retail dispensary in Portland, Oregon. The acquisition brings Grown Rogue total indoor capacity to 127,000 square feet. Transaction highlights: added 30,000 square feet, state-of-the-art indoor facility, Portland retail dispensary. Total annual revenue capacity increased to $20 million USD. Further reduces one of the industry's lowest cash cost of production of 80 cents per USD per gram with improved economies of scale. This strategic asset acquisition further solidifies our commitment to the Oregon cannabis market, which saw a record 1.1 billion USD in sales in 2020, according to the Oregon Liquor Control Commission, said Obi Strickler, Chief Executive Officer of Grown Rogue. The new indoor facility will be more than double our Oregon capacity and yearly production volume, and more importantly, Grown Rogue is positioned to generate 20 million USD per year in revenue on a pro forma basis, including 10 million USD in wholesale sales in Oregon and a projected 10 million USD of revenue from our Michigan partners' operations. Over the past 5 years, we have developed proprietary operational and sales processes to achieve a consistent operating margin greater than 40%, which we expect to continue. We have reinvested the healthy cash flow into the company, and this asset acquisition actualizes our commitment to scaling a robust, profitable model, providing our shareholders even greater value creation. The recent constructed state-of-the-art indoor facility is located only 5 minutes from the existing Grown Rogue facility. The physical proximity of the two facilities offer economies of scale, which further drive down Grown Rogue's cash cost to produce at or below 80 cents US per gram. That's huge. That's really big news. Really, really big news. Let's look at a YouTube video regarding their current indoor and outdoor facilities. Okay, pretty cool video. So, looking more into this company, they got into the Michigan market. I don't know if the audience is aware, but all in all, in December 2019, Michigan had generated a total adult use cannabis sales of 138 million. During that same period, medical sales totaled over 473 million. And the state of Michigan collected 22.9 million in sales and excise taxes. The single state of Michigan has equal or more licensed medical cannabis users than the entire country of Canada. So that's a pretty big market. If these guys are looking at 3.3% of that in Michigan market, that works out to be like approximately 20 million in revenue. So there's another news release here that these guys have created or acquired, better yet. Steve Lightman joins the Grown Rogue board of directors. So Grown Rogue, the company, CSC, OTC, a multi-state cannabis company with operations and assets in Oregon and Michigan, today announced the appointment of Steve Lightman, Group President of Gourmet Foods and Gift Baskets, 1-800flowers.com Inc., and is an independent director of Grown Rogue, effective immediately. Mr. Lightman's appointment expands the board to 5 directors, 4 of whom are independent directors. Steve's 30 years of broad experience, across the retail and consumer products, combined with extensive knowledge within the agriculture industry, will be an outstanding addition to our board of directors, said Obi Strickler, CEO of Grown Rogue. As we continue to scale our business, Steve's exceptional background in a variety of industries, including one of the most respected food and gift companies, Harry and David, which is local to Medford, will help Grown Rogue in the next phase of our company's growth. Mr. Lightman is group president at 1-800flowers.com Inc., responsible for driving strategy and enhancing operational agility within the company's gourmet foods and gift baskets segment, which comprised of more than a half dozen brands. And you guys can look more into this press release. Let's look more into this specific. Oh, wow. Nice site. 1-800flowers.com. Grown Rogue selling flowers. This gentleman has built a robust retail platform to sell flowers. Interesting. Very, very strategic acquisition. Very strategic. So now let's take some time to look at the security. So as you guys can see here, this is the activity on this security. This is the Canadian security. And if you guys notice, currently right now, it's trading below the 38 and 100-day moving averages, right about here. And really importantly, I want you guys to realize the selling is the red, the buying is the green. Look at these buys. Look at all of the more sells. There's tremendously a lot more sells than there is buys, yet the stock is still moving up. This is indicative of short interest. And if any of you are really familiar with this new phenomenon where a tremendous amount of Reddit traders and new retail buyers are looking at assets that have a lot of short interest on them so they can take positions and basically short squeeze these stocks, you guys can find out more about that short interest position and the specific due diligence about Grown Rogue by joining our trading club. And that's something that you guys can do on your own. And the MACD uptrend and broke positive oversold. So it basically, it's breaking this 0.00 level. It's the half mark of it being oversold, and it just broke that. So that is the Canadian security. And now we're going to look at the American security. And again, it's moving below the 30-day moving average. And again, if you notice, here's all the buys, and it's a larger sea of red, yet the stock still moved up. And it's oversold, the MACD trending up to the mid wavelength. And it's indicating when it gets that mid wavelength that it won't take much to pop this. Now let's look at the security a little bit more closely here on TradingView. And as you guys can see, congratulations to all the Trading Club members, as we've been in this security at these lows, even as low as 11 cents. So congratulations to all the members in our Trading Club, as they've benefited from this, big move. It topped off and found resistance here at 35 cents. And as you guys can see, it took some downtrend here, and it held support here at this 27.5 support level, which is a really good sign. And we're looking for the 9-day moving average to hold support and push the stock to 48 cents and a possible gap fill, and then move higher. So folks, this is a stock that we want all of you to put on your stock radar, as there's been a lot of members benefiting from our trading club. And again, if you want to keep on winning, you need to keep on watching. So we recommend you to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your alerts. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off at the BFN, the Business Financial Network. God bless.